This is the second odd or even identity that we are going to show here. We're going to show that the cosine of a negative z is equal to positive cosine of z. Now, this is with the use of a trigonometric function for complex numbers. Now, regardless of whatever that z is. Now, we're going to show that for this given here, cosine of z expressed as e to the power of iz plus e to the power of negative iz over 2 would satisfy the given equation when z is negative and z is positive. This is even true for the real number system when we use cosine of negative theta is equal to cosine of theta, which means whichever angle you are going to plug in here, they will have the same result. This type of identity is called even because, as mentioned, if you're going to plug in negative of the angle or theta here, and the positive will get the same result. So similar in the context of complex numbers now, if we're going to plug in negative z as an angle or even the z itself, you will get the same result. So we're going to show that to be true here. So for our proof, let's start with cosine of negative z. And let's show that later on its equivalence would be cosine z in itself. So what we need to do here is change all z by negative c. So I times negative z plus e to the negative I times negative of z all over 2. Okay? So the next part here is, of course, simplify the exponents. So allow me to use here e to the negative of iz plus e to the power of positive now because that's negative times negative, right? So you have positive iz all over 2. Now, take note for original form, the negative iz is a second term. Let me rearrange this. So you have your e to the power of positive iz plus e to the power of negative iz is over 2. This was actually cosine of negative z, which shows that this is even the same as this. It's still cosine of z. This shows that really cosine is an even identity. So you plug in here negative or even the positive of that z, we'll have the same result. So basically we have shown that cosine of negative z is just equal to cosine of positive z. This is the proof for this given identity here. Thank you very much for watching.